So as you all know, 5G is around the corner, and let me say 4G is almost in every state in Nigeria. So this tip is for my student out there, or student out there. Let's assume students, students now, they're always broke, like they don't have money. Let me see. So to cut the story short, if you want your mobile data to last long, let's assume as a student you just rush to buy the MTN. Let me say you use 200 naira, 100 naira to buy data, the low budget data. So for example, you want to message someone on WhatsApp quickly, or you just want to rush to do your assignment, and with 4G the data 100, let me say they give you 100 MB, it will finish as soon as possible. So it seems most of us will forget about the 2G and the 3G, the edges network. We forget about them. So let me take you back. So just go to your phone, then the network where you used to on your network, your data network. So just hold it down here. So after you done, you see to bring out the SIM card and mobile network. So you just have to do, you see I'm using MTN and Glo. So all you have to do is tap on the, let me assume tap on this MTN. Then you see down here you have the preferred network type. So if you click on this, you see we have 2, 3 and 4G, which is auto. So this one now, like I am now in my own state, I am currently using 4G, so I set it on auto. So you can bring it down to 2G, but mind you, it will be very slow, but it will prolong your data validity, to prolong it. So you can put it to 3G if you don't mind. Then this will slow down the network transfer rate. You get me? To slow it down. So while this method, it will prolong your low budget SAPA data. You understand? It will prolong it. So just try this, and don't forget to follow me for more helpful tips. Thank you.